integrate the rational function. So the x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. So degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 1 into 1. That's why 1 plus 1 2. So it is a proper rational function. This integrate is a proper rational function because it is less than degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So let x by this equal to a by this in plus b by this, or x equal to, if we multiply both sides by x plus 1 into x plus 2, x plus 1 into x plus 2, then it would be x equal to a into x plus 1 cut it, then it will be x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Okay, this is number 1. Then we have to put the value of x, which x plus 2. If we make it this equal to 0, then x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 2. So we have to put x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 1. Okay. Put x equal to when x equal to minus 2. Then here x is there. So minus 2 equal to this is 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. So here minus b equal to minus 2. That's why b equal to 1. So b equal to 1, 2, only 2. Am I right? No wait.
Yes, sir.
Minus b equal to minus 2. That's a b equal to 2. Again put, or when x equal to minus 1, then minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus 0, imply that is a equal to minus 1. This a equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1. This is plus a equal to minus 1, a equal to minus 1. Okay. So thus the integrand is given by this the integrand x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to what? A by, it was a by this plus b by this. So a means minus 1. So minus 1 by x plus 1 plus b by this. B means 2 by this. Okay. So now it is very easy. Therefore integration of x dx by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to, we can say minus 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 2 dx by x plus 2 equal to minus log of x plus 1 plus 2 into log of x plus 2 plus we can write here log c. Take c is anything. C means it will be sin c, it will be log c. So log c is also constant. Okay, so log c we can take, or only c also. Why log of x plus 1? Why? Because derivative of x plus 1 is only 1. So if we find derivative of denominator is the numerator itself, then it will be log of the numerator. Sorry, log of the denominator. Okay, so log of this, and also x plus 2, derivative of x plus 2 is 1. So 1 is there, 2 into 1, so 2 into 1. That's why log of x plus 2, and then log plus log c. Then log c equal to constant, log c integration constant. You can do also only c, or log c. 2 is there, so minus, so log c, we can write here log c minus log of x plus 1 plus 2 is there. That's why you can write log of here x plus 2 whole square 2. That's why we can put it here. So it will be log a minus log b. That's why log a by b. Log a minus log b means log a by b. So log c by x plus 1 plus this. That means we can write here into x plus 2 whole square. Okay, so it is equal to log c into x plus 2 whole square by x plus 1. Is the answer. Only rough of I am doing. If it will be 1 by x square minus 1 dx, then dx by x square minus 1 means x square minus 3 square, x plus 3 into x minus 3. Then you can take 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 3. It is a proper fraction because it is a degree 0, the degree is 2, so 0 less than 2. So this, then you can find a value of a and b, then you can do it. This is also proper rational fraction because degree of the numerator is 1 and degree of the denominator is 1, 1, 1, 3. So 1 is less than 3. That's why this integrand is proper rational function. This integrand is proper rational function. Let this equal to a by this plus b by this plus c by this. So now or 3x minus 1. If you multiply both sides by this x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, then we get this equal to a into only x minus 1 cutted, then the two factors will be there, x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2 cutted, so x minus 1 to x minus 3, x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c, x minus 3 cutted, that's why x minus 1 to x minus 2, x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, so now put x equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, when x equal to 1, then 3 into 1 minus 1 equal to, we put x equal to 1, so 3 into 1 minus 1. So 1 means here a into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 plus it is 0, also it is 0. Then a equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay, it's 2, and here is minus a into minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, so a equal to plus 1. Here 1 minus 2 means minus 1, and 1 minus 6 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 1 means plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2 cutted, that's a equal to 1. Okay. When x equal to 2, then 3 into 2 minus 1 equal to 2 means it is 0, it is not 0, plus b into 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3 plus also again 0, then imply that b equal to, it is 3 minus 2 6, 3 into 2 6, 6 minus 1 5, so 5 equal to b into 1 into minus 1, so b equal to minus 5. Am I right? B equal to minus 5? Yes. Then when x equal to 3, then 3 into 3 minus 1 equal to 3 means it is 0, plus it is also 0, plus c into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2, imply that c equal to, it is 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 equal to c into 2 into 1. So that's why c equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4, c equal to 4. Okay, is it clear now? So we got the value of a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 4. Thus the integrand is given by this equal to this equal to 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to a by this, a means 1 by this, plus b equal to minus 5, so minus 5 by this x minus 2, plus c by this, that's c equal to 4, plus c by this. Therefore this integration, therefore this equal to 1 by x minus 1 dx minus 5 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 dx plus 4 by 1 and 4 by 1 dx by x minus 3. Then it is very easy. Log of this, log of this, log of this. Do it. So this is equal to 1 by x minus 1 dx is equal to log x minus 1 minus 5 into log x minus 2 plus 4 into log x minus 3 plus c. C equal to this constant. Also you can take log c. You can take. Okay. This is this complete answer. This integer is a proper rational function. So here x minus 1 whole square is there. So let x by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 equal to x by a by x minus 1. Okay, very good. Plus b by, it will be x minus 1 whole square. Whole square, that's why you will take first of all a by x minus 1, then a b by b x minus 1 whole square, then plus c by x minus 2, x plus 2 or x equal to a into, you multiply both sides by this, then x minus 1 x minus 1 will be cutted. So x minus 1 cutted, then it will be another x minus 1, and here x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1 whole square totally cutted. So it will be here now x plus 2 plus c into x plus 2, so the x minus 1 whole square. Put. Now put x equal to 1 equal to, okay. We put x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2. So when x equal to 1, then a vanished, and x equal to minus 2 is also then vanished. But we got the value of b and c, but not a. So how can we got the value of a? So now we have to compare the coefficient of x or x square or x to the power 0, a constant term. X to the power 0 means constant term, okay. So comparing the coefficient of x to the power 0 means here x to the power 0 is not there, that's why 0 equal to x to the power 0 means here without x means minus 1 into 2, then minus 2, so minus 2a, here 2b, so plus 2b, here cx square 2b, only x to the power 0, okay. So here x square plus 2 minus 2x plus 1, so plus 1 is the coefficient of x to the power 0, so plus 1, so c into 1 c plus c. So we got the value of b and c. To put the value of b and c, then we can get the value of a equal to 2 by 9. Okay. Now the integrand is given, thus the integrand is given by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 equal to a by this, a means 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 into this means x minus 1 by x minus 1 plus b by this, so b means b equal to 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 into x minus 1 whole square, 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c by plus c means minus 2 by 9, so minus 2 by 9 into x 1 by x plus 2, okay. So therefore this equal to 2 by 9 dx by x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 dx by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by 9 dx by x plus 2 whole square, okay, equal to 2 by 9 dx by x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 x minus 1 whole square minus 2, okay, minus 2 by 9, it is not whole square, sorry, dx by x plus 2. Then it is log 2 by 9 log x minus 1 plus 1 by 3. It is x to the power n. X to the power n means x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. X minus 1 to the power minus 1 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 by 9 log x plus 2 plus c equal to integration constant. Okay, this complete the answer actually. Then we can write again 2 by 9 log x minus 1 is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 by 3. This is equal to x minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. Minus 1 means we can write here like that, x minus 1. Okay, minus 2 by 9 log of x plus 2 plus c. This completes the answer. Okay, if the function will be like that, x dx by x square plus 1 into x minus 1. We cannot express x square plus 1 as a multiple of two functions. No, only it would be a quadratic equation. Okay, so when we find that type of function, then we have to assume x by this equal to x by x square plus 1 into x plus x minus 1 equal to ax plus b by this quadratic function. That's why ax plus b by this plus c by this. Okay, now for x equal to ax plus b into x plus x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1. Okay, so now put x equal to 1 and x equal to only 1. Okay, when x equal to 1, then 1 equal to 0, this function is total 0, plus c into 1 square plus 1, that means 2. That's why c equal to 1 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we have to compare the coefficient of x or x square or x equals 0, anyone. Okay, so compare the coefficient of x or x, comparing the coefficient of what would be very easy, x also, easy will be x square will be easy. Okay, x square, we get x square term is not there, right? So we can write here 0 equal to x square term. When we multiply ax, multiply this by ax, then ax into x square, ax square, except that another x square is not there, right? Only ax square, then minus ax, then plus bx minus b, so only we can get ax square. So the coefficient is a. Here only cx square, that means plus c. Okay, it is the number. It is number 1. It is number 2. Okay, so we cannot find a or c. Again we have to compare another polynomial. Comparing the coefficient of x, or x to the power 0. X to the power 0 will be easy. X to the power 0. We get again 0 equal to x to the power 0 means ax square minus ax. No, x to the power 0 is not there. By b, bx, no, minus b. Okay, yes, minus b. Okay. Oh, c equal to half. We got c equal to. That's why you can find the value of a. Yes, imply that a plus half equal to 0 imply that a equal to minus half, because c equal to half, right? A equal to minus half. Okay, but we have to find the value of b also. So minus b, okay, minus b, and coefficient of x to the power 0 is plus c, right? Plus c imply that b equal to c, imply that b equal to c means half. Okay, so we can find, right? Then you can do, then the hence phasor integrand. Okay, now hence the integrand is given by x by x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to what? Ax plus b. Ax means a into a equal to half minus half. Minus half into x plus b. B equal to half plus half by x plus 1. X plus 1 plus c by this. C means half. So half by this. Okay. Therefore integration of this equal to this dx plus this dx. Okay. So then it will be now easier, equal to minus half common, minus half common, then will be x plus 1, x minus 1, because minus half common, by x square plus 1 dx plus half into dx by x minus 1. Okay, again we have to find the derivative of x square plus 1. It will be 2x. We have to make it here 2x minus half into half. Then it will be 2x minus 2. Then x square plus 1 dx plus half into this is your log of this. Okay, equal to minus 1 by 4 2x dx by this. Okay, then minus 2y, minus 2 into this, minus plus 1 by 4 into 2 dx by x square plus x square plus 1 square plus half into dx by x minus 1. Okay, it is going to be completed now. This is equal to the derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x. So derivative of denominator is the numerator. That's how you can write log of this, minus 1 by 4 log of x square plus 1. It is plus half x square plus a square. X square plus a square means 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus half into again log x minus 1 plus c equal to integration constant. Okay, is the required answer? You can simplify it half into this. Okay, minus 1 by 4 log x equal plus 1 plus half into log half into tan inverse x, half into tan inverse x plus half into log x minus 1 plus c. Okay.